Hello, I'm Morley Safer. Protecting the environment is an important issue in today's world, yet many individuals and companies don't always know the best way to conserve the natural resources we have. Many believe the key lies in new technology. Here's an example.
On road surfaces across America, from interstates to parking lots, fluids like oil, grease, and antifreeze drip, while heavy metals and particles from exhaust settle, keeping these contaminants out of our water streams and reducing overall pollution have become increasingly important for many industries today.
In the early days of the Clean Water Act, which was passed in 1972, we focused on controlling discharges of wastewater or sewage from municipalities and wastewater from industries, pipes directly into streams that discharge industrial waste. That left, by the middle 80s, a large source of pollution that was unaddressed, primarily pollution caused by stormwater runoff from municipal streets, from farmland, from industrial plant sites.
As concerns for clean and abundant water supplies increase, industries, municipalities, and property owners are moving away from traditional methods of surface cleaning and looking for safer, more environmentally sensitive technologies.
Up until probably 2 years ago, the concern for any contaminants, whether that be just dirt, whether that be oil, grease, diesel fuel, anything like that, it was just normally washed off. It would flow where it would flow. It would flow either on the ground or down the storm drains. Today, from federal law, that is not allowed, and it is getting stricter and stricter depending upon the municipality that you're in.
One modern solution that has been developed to help answer our growing conservation needs utilizes a patented closed-loop pressure washing system that recovers, filters, and reuses its wash water.
This system allows me to pressure wash any large, small, or medium-sized job of square footage by allowing all the spent water to come back to the truck. It contains all of the contaminants in the rear of the truck, and it recycles its water to the front of the truck that I can use it again, which eliminates for me the need for a second truck to provide me water or to take water from a customer.
Each system conserves 1 million gallons of water per year over standard water blasting, which washes 10 to 12 gallons of water per minute into the storm drain. The VAXJET system uses the same 10 to 12 gallons per minute of water, but it vacuums up 99% of it and reuses it several times before that water has to be disposed of.
The cycle of cleaning a surface, then reclaiming and filtering the water, can be repeated several times a day for up to 2 weeks.
The system has allowed me to do any type of job, and I can feel very confident that I am complying with all federal law, state law, and local law.
One way to be effective is to control the creation of pollution in the first place, to prevent pollution from occurring. That also solves the environmental objectives of the Clean Water Act, and so I think that's one good example of how industry objectives and pollution objectives coincide.
People need to be aware that when they wash their surface area, whether it's a municipality or an airport or someone in their driveway, that if they wash their oil and grease into the storm drain, it doesn't just go away. It goes out into our waterways. It contaminates our water, and it's become a very big issue.
About 1.5 years ago, I was approached by the equipment manufacturers with VAXJET, making me aware that as we began to promote the development of stormwater utilities in the southeastern U.S. and specifically in Georgia, that there was a product that was coming online, a company that was going to be developing a vehicle that would have the capacity of ensuring that the oils and other chemicals that otherwise would go into stormwater drains would be collected in a vacuum system, the VAXJET system. And we've in fact had one community in Georgia, Griffin, Georgia, just south of the Atlanta metropolitan area, using this equipment, has already helped them address their permit requirements within their jurisdictional boundaries.
Thanks for tuning in today. Join us again as we continue to explore how people and technology can work together to better protect our planet.